guys, it's Pauline. So I picked up a few things from the November drop. I was hoping not to do a whole lot, but that did not happen. I ended up picking quite a few things, and this is the first. So let's see what this is. So this is from the retail side. I was kind of disappointed with the retail drop. I didn't think the retail drop had exciting things. I wonder what you guys think. Oh, so I got this before. So I think this is the retail drop here. I was wondering if I picked up something that was on sale, like the retail last chance, but I remember now what this is. So I did pick this up before everything else. I debated it because this was expensive for what this is, but I just really wanted to get it. So I went ahead and picked it up. All right. Oh, there's only one piece in here. So, oh wait, maybe that other piece is not stuffing. Let me look in this box again. I'm good for almost throwing my stuff away. This is stuffing. Yeah, this is just stuffing. All right, so I bought the wristlet that went with this, which is what I was looking for. I'm gonna make sure. I was thinking maybe they put them in the same thing, but so I think I paid $95 for this, $75 or $95 for this. I'm gonna say $75. Let's see. Which I think that is, oh, let me see. I didn't do gift wrapping on this, so I don't know why they tore the tag off. I forgot all about letting them gift wrap it. But anyway, but isn't that pretty? It reminds me of Louis Vuitton, which I don't have any of those pieces, but that's what that's the vibe it was giving me. And so I went ahead and spent what I think is overpriced for this. But this is, from what I understand, this is leather. So anyway, and from what I understand, when you get the notebook from the retail side, it's a little bit different than the one you get from the outlet side. Like, I don't think they have this transparency piece on the front. And I guess that's to protect the cover from getting damaged and stuff. Let's see. So, and then you have the little creed there. It's really nice. And I think on the resale side, you get this turn lock. I think on the outlet side, you just get a snap, right? But anyway, that, I guess, is all I got to share today. And so I guess I'm going to get the little wristlet that goes with this in a separate box. But that is all I had to share. Did y'all pick this up? I think it's so pretty. And I probably will switch out that notebook and put something else in there. But I think it's so pretty. But anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.